All right, so tell me about this. This is Dad's bird with the flintlock, right?
Yeah.
We got blood on the Jake decoy. That's a trophy. Pull him out of there. He looks like a big bird. What kind of beard we got there?
He's got a pretty big one.
Yeah. I got a little wing with him, but I got head too.
Yeah.
Pull that head over and see what kind of beard he's got. Good beard, same.
This is pretty big.
All right, roll him over and check out those spurs. I hope he's got spurs like yours. Big old breast on him, look at that. Pull him out of there. Don't be scared.
Mine look bigger.
Look
I
like
think.
inch spurs, yours are bigger. Good job.
You got the bigger bird, I got the bigger spurs.
Pretty good pair, huh?
Yep.
All right, picture time.